Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of string and it is part 2, and in this lecture I am going to discuss how to get string input from the user. So let's go ahead and we'll open Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program I will show you how can we get the string input from the user. So I have declared a character array of size 20 and that is S, and the length of the string should not exceed the size of the character array because the C compiler does not perform bound checking on the character arrays. So make sure the size of character array should be greater than the size of string or the length of string. And now I'm taking input from the user by using a scanf function, and here I'm using a new format specifier for a string and that is %s. And in scanf function we generally use ampersand just before the variable here, but in case of string it is not mandatory, it is totally up to you. And now we are printing this string by using this printf function. So now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter a string. So let me enter this string. So let's say the string is Arvind. Now it is printing string is Arvind. So I hope it is clear to you guys. So guys, now if I run this program again and I am entering multi-word string in this program, so let's say I am entering Arvind and Kharwal and hit enter, then it is only printing Arvind. Why? Because scanf function is not able to receive multi-word string, so therefore Arvind space Kharwal is unacceptable and it will print only first word. Actually scanf function reads the character until it encounters space, new line, tab or enter. Now how can we solve this? Guys, we can solve this by using getAs function, and getAs function can accept multi-word string from the user. So let's use the getAs function in this program. So in getAs function we need to just pass the name of the character array and that is S in our case. So now if I run this program and entered multi-word string, and it is printing it. So I hope it is clear to you guys. So to accept the multi-word string from the user we will use getAs function, and to print the string we will use putS function, and these two functions are declared in stdio.h header file. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.